Have you ever wondered how your body breaks down proteins? The answer lies in amino acid catabolism. It's a fascinating process, essential for energy and health. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins in our bodies. When we eat protein, it gets digested into amino acids. But what happens next? Let's explore the catabolism of amino acids, step by step. First, excess amino acids enter the liver after digestion. In the liver, amino acids undergo deamination. This process removes the amine group from the amino acid. As a result, ammonia is produced. That might sound harmful, but don't worry. Our body converts ammonia into urea, which we excrete through urine. Next, the remaining carbon skeleton is transformed. These carbon structures can be converted into glucose or fats, depending on the body's needs. This transformation provides energy for vital functions. Now, let's break down this process further. There are two main pathways to
catabolize amino acids, the ketogenic and glucogenic pathways. Ketogenic amino acids can turn into ketone bodies. These bodies are a significant energy source, especially during fasting. Glucogenic amino acids, on the other hand, convert into glucose. This glucose is critical for fueling our brain and muscles. To illustrate, let's consider leucine, a ketogenic amino acid. When leucine catabolism occurs, it is converted into acetyl-CoA, a key player in energy production. As for glucogenic amino acids like alanine, they become pyruvate, which fuels energy creation. Summarizing the journey, amino acid catabolism starts with deamination. Through various pathways, these amino acids are transformed into usable energy sources. This process is vital for maintaining our metabolism and overall health. Understanding amino acid catabolism helps us appreciate our body's complexity. By recognizing how we generate energy from proteins, we can make informed dietary choices. So next time you eat a protein-rich meal, think about the incredible journey those amino acids will take inside your body. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe. Share this knowledge with your friends and family. Together, we can unlock the mysteries of human biology.